If you felt reluctant to allow any site to get access to your location, well, there's good news for you. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. In a minor privacy win for Android users, Google has announced that Chrome's Android app will now have the ability to share your approximate location with websites instead of giving them access to your precise location. Now, instead of giving away exactly where you're sitting, the feature gives you a bit more flexibility so you don't have to give up on your privacy just to check out some random websites. For example, if you're just looking for information about the weather or something else in your general area, there's no need to share your exact GPS coordinates. And of course, you'll still be able to share precise location data if you'd like. Google says approximate location sharing is also coming to Chrome on desktops in the coming months. And as you'd expect, there will also be new APIs to let developers specify what sort of location data their websites need. A Google representative wrote an email about the new feature that they're encouraging developers to review their location needs and only ask for precise location when it's required for the site functionality. It's unclear what Google's plans are for Chrome on iOS, but iPhone and iPad users have had the option to enable approximate location data on for specific apps for a few years now. That will give you the nifty granularity of choosing your own location data for every website. Of course, but it is a useful option if you're concerned about privacy. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.